Tingin nyo bakit importante ang branding? Bakit dapat may branding tayo? Branding, as you can see here, branding is important because we are building trust and recognition. Kasi yung branding daw, it will drive repeat purchases and customers. Sila pa yung magiging mga nag-a-advocate about our business. Nakita mo yung iba nga naglalaban-laban pa sa comment. They protect the brand, no? Even they are not being paid for it. Awayin mo yung yung mga users ng Apple. Subukan mo mag-comment sa nila, sa group nila. Mas mabilis, mas maganda yung Samsung. Pupunta ka sa Samsung, sabihin mo, ang pangit ng Samsung. Papasok sa'yo yung mga reply nila. Because they're already being the advocate of those brands. Yung brand loyalty na build nila ng ganung katindi. Anything, any products or services na ilabas nila, sure ball, bumibenta. Why? Yun nga, because they have a strong brand.